Hello everyone, welcome to Amarjyoti's Crochet World. Today I am here once again with my new tutorial. Today I am going to make a beautiful and cute rainbow mobile cover. So this technique will tell you how to change the colors if you want to attach in the new row. If you are a beginner, it's a very beginner friendly project. So it's a rainbow colored project. So we'll be using all the colors of the rainbow. Okay, so first of all I'm taking this wine or violet kind of color. So taking all the colors, I'll show you. So this is violet, and this one is purple, then indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, so these are the colors, and above that for the top I'll be using some of the white color. Okay, so it is up to you if you want to use these rainbow colors or you want to make in a single color also. That is the same technique will be used. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start with this violet color. Okay, the crochet hook that I am going to use is 3.0 mm crochet hook. We need a tapestry needle, pair of scissors. Okay, so let's quickly begin. The crochet hook should be according to the yarn that you are going to use. It is the relevant crochet hook. Okay, so first of all make a slip knot, and how many chains you have to make? You have to measure the width of your mobile phone. Okay, the cell phone that you are using, for which you are going to make the cover. So for my mobile phone, I need about 15 chains. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, that's it. So 15 chains I am making, and because I'll be making in double crochet stitch, so 3 more chains. So how many number of chains you need for your mobile phone, plus 3 you have to add for making it in a double crochet. So skip 3 chains that you have recently made. In the 4th chain from the hook, make a double crochet. Okay, so in each stitch make a double crochet stitch. If you are very much beginner, then you must not, if you are not if you do not know how to make a double crochet stitch, I'll post a link for double crochet, how to make a double crochet for beginners, and you can see that video also. Okay, so 1 double crochet in each of the stitches till you reach the end of your row. So if I am using 15 chain stitches, there should be 15 double crochet plus chain 3 that you are using. Okay, so 1 double crochet in each of the stitches. In the last stitch we are going to make 2 double crochets, one on this side and one, because we are going to make a single piece which will wrap around your mobile phone. So what we are going to do is, once we have done double crochets to this side of your chain, now we will be making double crochets to this side, the lower side of your chain. Okay, so yarn over and insert the hook in the same stitch that we have just made, and then make a double crochet on it. Oops, it becomes a bigger one. Just a second, one more. That means in the last stitch we are making 2 stitches, 2 double crochets. Now you have to keep your work like this, and the last stitch already you have made 2 double crochets. So in the next stitch, the chain stitch, you are going to make the double crochet stitch. Okay, so this is this double crochet, below that you have to do that, and then in the next double crochet below that you have to make another double crochet. Now the next double crochet below that you have to make another double crochet, and in the next stitch, like that you have to make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches till you reach your starting chain 3. Okay, this is the last stitch. So all the double crochets I have made with this color. Now I am going to attach the second color for my cover. So there will be purple color. So make a slip knot with purple shade. Okay, now keep ready your slip knot. I am going to tell you how to attach a new color. Now you have to make a slip stitch, insert the hook in the top of chain 3. Now take the other color, as I am taking this purple shade, insert it through chain 3 loop and the working loop. Okay, that's it. Now from here, because you will be making row number 2, just a second, let me make it fine. Now make chain 3. This will be your next row. Okay, so this yarn I am going to cut this yarn, this indigo color, sorry, this violet color. Okay, so now what you have to do is chain, after making chain 3 on the top of next double crochet, here you have to make a double crochet. On the next stitch make a double crochet. It is recommended that both the yarns, that the tails, hold both the tails along with, and then when you insert the hook in the next stitch, hold both the tails in between and then make a double crochet over it, so that both the tails are hidden. So we were working like this, but this is the wrong side of your work, so you have to turn it like this, turn it upside down, or turn it inside out rather, and then make the double crochets over each of the double crochet stitch of the last row. This tail is very long, let me cut it. Okay, now on the top of each of the stitch I am making double crochet stitch. Okay, like this. Make 1 double crochet on each of the stitches all the way round over all the stitches till you reach the chain 3 of the this round. Okay, so I'll meet you at the end of this last stitch. Now I have reached the last stitch. Now what we are going to attach another color. So insert the hook in your on the top of, see, this is the chain 3 of purple color, 1 2 3. In the third chain insert your hook. Okay, and then take the other color. You can make in single color as well, if you don't want to make the color change, the single color, you have to do the slip stitch and then keep on doing the all the rows. So make a slip knot and then hold it in your crochet hook, pass it through chain 3 loop, pass it through your working loop. Okay, and then pull this yarn a bit. That's it. Okay, now start with this row, chain 3, again hold both the ends with your in your hand, and then on the top of each of the double crochet start making double crochets. This is extra loop, let's cut it. Okay, now one double crochet over each of the double crochet all the way round till you reach the chain 3, the starting one that we used to make for starting our new row. One double crochet on each of the double crochet. One more time I'll show you how to change the color. Last stitch, and then insert the hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3, and then take the other color, make a slip knot, hold it in your hook, pass it through chain 3, the third chain, and through the working loop. Pull this older yarn a bit and then cut it, and then hold both, this is optional actually, hold both the ends. Just a second, where it is gone? This one. It is purely optional. This is just to hide the ends. Chain 3, and then in the next stitch, immediately next stitch, insert the hook, take both the ends in your hook as well, and then start making double crochets over it. Okay, this is a method to hide the tails. Okay, so like this you have to change the colors and then make the cover till the length of your work. Okay, so I'll meet you after I make the sufficient length for my mobile cover. So see you in a while. Now I am done with my cover, the phone cover. I have given the rainbow lines, and then the rest part I have made with the white color yarn. So one variation I want to give is I want to attach a button over it so that the phone should not get slipped out of this pocket. So what I am going to do is I am just going to make double crochets and then reach the center on this side. Okay, so I am working through this now, this side. So I will be making from here. So let me count how many stitches I have to make, how many double crochets basically. Chain 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I will be reaching the 9th double crochet from here. just a second, chain 3 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9 double crochet, 9th double crochet, and then make a chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 13 14 15. I think 15 will be sufficient. And then chain, after making chain 15, make the double crochet in the next stitch as you make like usually, and then keep making double crochets in the next stitches all the way round. Till you reach chain 3 of the starting. Two more stitches, that's it. Slip stitch in this chain, third chain, and then finish off the yarn. This tail I will hide in. Now I will attach a button. I have this button over here, so I will stitch a button over here, and then this will be passed through it like this, and this will be held like this. So this mobile cover will be ready. So hope you like my video on making this beautiful and cute and very quick project on making a mobile cover, which is have made in double crochet stitch. So you can make in single color, or you can change the colors as I have shown you. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for each and every time I'll upload anything new. And if you have any suggestions, please do write in the comment section so that you will get I'll get to know that what do you want, and your valuable suggestions are always welcome. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you once again.